Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to find out if Typhoon matches can actually ignite one another when they're underwater. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation, of course, are Typhoon matches. They're made by Zippo. They claim to be waterproof and windproof. And some Lego bricks. I found that these Legos spaced out the matches equidistantly, and I could add some Lego bricks to it to create tension to hold it in place in this plastic aquarium. Once you've spaced out your matches, measure the width of your plastic aquarium so that when you lower it, there's enough tension to hold the matches in place so that when you fill it with water, they'll stay where you want them. Okay, put some black construction paper behind it so you can really see whether those matches will ignite one another even when they're fully submerged. At this time, I'm going to start adding my water. I'm going to put it, I think, over in this corner. I'm going to do this slowly so I don't knock the matches loose. It's the first match, putting it underwater. Let's see if it ignites that first match. So at this point, it seems that my matches are spaced out too far. So I'm going to change their proximity, put them a little closer, and see if they'll self-ignite. Looks like our first match ignited. I really want to see if it'll ignite the match next to it, even though it's underwater. So friends, I was really impressed with Zippo's Typhoon matches, and although I could get one match to ignite a submerged match, I couldn't get those submerged matches to spontaneously ignite one another. Remember, in science, sometimes an experimental design doesn't yield the results that you're hoping for, and in that case, you've got to change a variable and try again. I'm sure I'll try this experiment many more times in the future. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.